Hi, Robin Thomas here in the uni, high up in the Andes in Bolivia again. It's freezing cold. It was -12 last night. It's 4 degrees at the moment. Hence the jacket and the hat. Today's repairing a rack. I made this rack for Hauscars Mazda B52 pickup. So the bad road and vibration and all the weight on it, it snapped the mount. So today we're going to make a much better mount. We're going to reinforce it so it doesn't happen again. So like I say, this roof rack I made for the pickup truck. The idea of this roof rack is it extends over the cab of the pickup truck, and on top of here in the centre is a roof tent mounted that pops up. On the side, on these mounts here and here, is a pull-out awning extender. The front here we have space to bolt gasoline and spares for the bikes, but it doesn't intrude much over the back of the pickup bed, so we can put our motorcycles, 2 motorcycles at the back, and no problem. At the back here you can see we have these digital lights, LEDs. So they're wired in, so at night time you can switch them on and we can use the light to load up the pickup trucks after the race. So yeah, it has the original frame there, as you can see, with the LED lights on, which bolts to the chassis and the back box. So we use this to mount it on. Like I say, I made this over 2 years ago. It's done a lot of hard work. Like I say, it takes the weight of the roof tent on top. It's all made out of a 2-inch box tube. On the side here, the loops you can see, we have a big tube which carries water in for our shower. So we use the shower, pneumatic shower. We put an air compressor one end with a valve, and it blows the water out the other end so we can shower after the race. So yeah, you can see here on the front, this clip here, it joins on to the roof rail, and you can see this one is cracked too. So what we're going to do, we're going to put triangles in here, gussets as you would call them, on both sides to support it so it don't take any more fatigue from the vibration. Okay, so the first thing we got to do is weld this one back into place. So we're going to clean up the weld, clean up everything, get the MIG welder out, weld that back into there, just tack it in place for the minute, and then we'll make some cardboard templates for the triangle gussets that are going to go on the side. So we've made a cardboard template of the gusset that we're going to put into here, here and the other side too. This should stop it flexing backwards and forwards and stop it fatiguing and breaking. So nice little cardboard template. Let's find some 3mm steel and let's make it out of 3mm steel. We have this piece of steel, an offcut from when we did the bumper, 3mm thick, and I think we can get 4 of these out of there. So let's mark it out. Let's find a nice easy straight edge to cut so we don't have to cut so much, eh? Let me cut one out of there. There. One there. Another one there. Another one there. Final one there. Then we can be economical, and we got a bit left for any brackets we need in the future for something else, because this stuff is not cheap. So we're going to cut it out with a cutting disc on the grinder, and away we go. So there we have our 4 gussets, and we have all that material left over for the next project. So let's tack them in place. Okay, so now you can see we've tacked the gussets in place. So now we are going to tip it on its edge and weld it up. And there's the other side. Again, just giving a lick with the grinder. Now we're going to turn it upside down. So there's the top plate, weld it in and just giving a lick with the grinder. The back sides are welded now. The other side is done too, so all that remains now is to give it a blast of paint, just to cover up all the metal. Let's get the spray gun ready, mix some paint and give it a blast. Okay, the rack is done. We've done the support at the front. As you can see there, we have painted it, given it a coat of white paint. So this project is finished. It's ready to go back on Hauscars' car when he comes back from the tour in a couple of days time. But yeah, we gave it a blast over all the little rusty bits to make it look nice again. And yeah, we got a little bit of overspray on the lights, so we're going to just wipe that with thinners and get the overspray off. But the job is done. On to the next project. So don't forget, if you're new to the channel and you like it, give us a like and a subscribe. We're still trying to grow our numbers up in our subscriptions, and we're going to got some more interesting projects coming up, fixing more motorcycles and riding in the mountains. So yeah, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll get the next videos come up and you can enjoy with us. Thank you very much guys, I do appreciate you watching here. Thank you.